Okay, so my name is Muya Mayea. My friends call me Nono. I live in Milnerton, Phoenix, and I go to Generation Schools, Sunningdale campus. Yes, so Rhino, he said that accidents happen too much on Earth. So how could we prevent this? And so I thought to myself, because that is kind of broad. So quite recently, an accident happened close to where I live. So this lady left her stove unattended, and I thought to myself, maybe I could make a device that that detects when your stove's about to go off. So then I created this. It's called El Doctora. In Spanish means the doctor, because it saves people's lives. And so this microbit is going to be inserted into the stove. This would actually detect if your stove's about to go off, and it will send a message to this bit over here, and it will notify you on your phone that your stove's about to go off. And if it's unattended in like 10 minutes or so, it will get professional help. I think my design came out fine, although right here, I think I made it a bit too thin. So maybe I'll make it thicker next time. And yeah, I think I like everything else. I enjoyed the design process and actually making my design. It was challenging at first, but as I got through it, it became easier. I liked that I didn't have to box myself, because I'm not very creative. So this was a great experience for me to challenge myself and think out of the box. This workshop was held at American Corner, and I think this space is very inspiring. It helped me think outside of the box, and I think I'll definitely bring a friend or family member to come and experience what I experienced.